look at this court. Look how sturdy this is.
Right,
No,
so
no,
one
stop. No,
It's
but
not
look at
broken.
it first. First,
Let's examine it, bro.
we gotta fix it. Fix it, bro.
Yo, it got mechanical pipe sticking out.
Shine the light, shine the light.
Here comes the truth.
It's fixed.
I think it will never happen.
Spencer, bro, how you doing?
Doing good.
Pretty good.
Are we out there at Mox tomorrow?
Are you ready to send mocks?
I'm kind of game.
Bro, if not mocks, we're gonna go. Bro, fucking Aka! Bro. I missed filming, but bro, he just threw an exercise ball at him. It's about to go down.
You can see
It is currently about 4:58. All the boys are still sleeping downstairs. And it's time to go. So I don't know what the hell these guys are doing, bruh. Wait, after. You don't need an Advil, bruh.
Yeah, I do my leg.
You're fine. Look who the f is up. Oh my god. Spencer gotta move his truck though. We got 2 boogie boards. About 3 hard tops, an Odyssey. Hopefully it's all destroyed by the time we're done. Sandy's is really small but clean. But here's the thing about Mox. Mox is like really onshore, but it has way more size. So I'm honestly thinking Mox.
Well, we're coming to Mox right now.
Yeah, so hey, come to the lower. What is that? Bro, it looks so bad. Wait, how small? Okay, here at MAKAPU'U Beach Park, we got the boys backing up.
Hey, you're gonna get me clipped, yeah?
It is like 6 to 8 right now. It's supposed to be picking up all day. North swell wrap coming around to the east side of Oahu right now, so